Welcome to Rattle Day, Mr. Jam on the bass. What? Yeah, doing this shit a man can't. Talk to me. Yo, it was all a dream. Me and my brother Shock, him and Rakim. A black crib, puffin' LC and ourselves on the screen. Our pictures in the magazine, we up in the limousine. In suede bally silk shirts and jeans with the Gucci C's. I beatbox and niggas flow till we was dizzy. My manager Mo, Chuck Fresh, G-Money with Louie and Wizzy. Those was my favorite days when I turned back the page. And every day we did a show, the staircase was the stage. And yo, the name of the group, it was Rasha Shah. Whoever thought that hip-hop would make it this far? At 16, we did our first real show at the Mickey, yo. My mother believed in us, she shot our first video. We would go to my Uncle Young house every Sunday. He let us do our thing, we had a hot tape on Monday. I love them both for that, they always had my back. They made me who I am today, I see that when I look back. Red Hook Day gave me the confidence to do what I do. Mr. Gus, Stephen Moore, 9-2 Crash Crew. RZA, see what it took the world time to see. I dedicate this to y'all for inspiration.